Enter the era of titanium, the new frontier in smartphone manufacturing. This metallic element, known for its superior strength and lightweight nature, is making its way into the hands of consumers worldwide, one smartphone at a time. Imagine a material that is as strong as steel, yet nearly half as light. That's titanium for you, a game changer in the smartphone industry. Leading smartphone manufacturers are not blind to its charm. Companies like Apple and Xiaomi have already embraced the shift, incorporating titanium frames into their flagship models. The result? A premium, high-end feel without compromising on durability or weight. And now, Samsung is set to follow suit. Recognizing the potential, the tech giant is gearing up to mass-produce titanium frames for its premier smartphone line. This move will not only elevate their brand, but also set a new standard in the industry. The transition to titanium frames signifies a new chapter in the ongoing evolution of smartphone materials, promising a blend of durability, weight, and premium feel. So, what have we learned today? We've journeyed through the evolution of smartphone materials, from humble plastic to sturdy metal to sleek glass, and onto the refined ceramic. Now, we're stepping into the titanium era. This evolution underscores the industry's relentless quest for materials that strike the perfect balance between cost, durability, and aesthetics. As we move into the era of titanium smartphones, one can only wonder what the next big material innovation will be. Until then, we'll keep our eyes on the evolution of these pocket-sized marvels. Let's take a closer look at Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This device is a shining example of the titanium era we're stepping into. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a robust titanium frame that not only gives it a sleek modern aesthetic but also ensures its durability. This is a smartphone designed to withstand the rigors of daily use without sacrificing style. But that's not all. Underneath that titanium exterior lies a powerhouse, a special Snapdragon processor. This cutting-edge technology means the Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just tough on the outside, but also a beast on the inside. The Snapdragon processor ensures smooth performance, whether you're streaming content, playing games, or juggling multiple apps. As for when you can get your hands on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, we're looking at a global release in the first quarter of next year. More details about pricing and availability will be released closer to the launch date. With its titanium frame and special Snapdragon processor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to be a game-changer in the smartphone industry. It's a tantalizing glimpse into the future of smartphone materials and technology.